Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to study a part of biology known as heart diseases. We are going to study this part of biology with questions and answers for a better understanding. The first question we have here says, which of the following is a heart disease? A. Nephritis. B. Hepatitis. C. Cardiomyopathy. D. Diuresis. In this question, the correct answer is C. Cardiomyopathy. Cardiomyopathy is one of the diseases of the heart, and studies have shown that this disease affects the muscles of the heart seriously. The next question says, dilated cardiomyopathy is characterized by dash. A. Thinning of the left ventricular myocardium. B. Dilation of ventricular cavity. C. Impaired systolic function. D. All of the above. In this question, the correct answer is D. All of the above. There is a heart disease which we call dilated cardiomyopathy. There is a type of cardiomyopathy called dilated cardiomyopathy. Studies have shown that this dilated cardiomyopathy is characterized by thinning of the left ventricular myocardium. There is dilation of ventricular cavity. This problem also involve, or when this problem occurs, there will also be impaired systolic function. All these things are facts about dilated cardiomyopathy. The next question says, dilated cardiomyopathy is also called dash. A. Congestive cardiomyopathy. B. Congestive hepatitis. C. Neurocardiomyopathy. D. Hydrocephalus. In this question, the correct answer is A. Congestive cardiomyopathy. This heart disease, known as dilated cardiomyopathy, is also regarded as congestive cardiomyopathy. The next question says, the inflammation of the muscular tissue of the heart, known as myocardium, is best described as that. A. Myocarditis. B. Hepatitis. C. Nephritis. D. Diuresis. In this question, the correct answer is A. Myocarditis. Myocarditis is the inflammation of a muscular tissue of the heart known as myocardium. This myocarditis is one of the diseases of the heart. The next question says, the most common primary heart tumors in children is dash. A. Rhabdomyomas. B. Leprosy. C. Malaria. D. Cholera. In this question, the correct answer is A. Rhabdomyomas. Rhabdomyomas is the most common primary heart tumors in children. Research have shown that the hearts of children can be affected by some tumors, and there are tumors we call rhabdomyomas. These rhabdomyomas are the most common primary heart tumors observed in children. The next question says, a condition whereby the aortic valves narrow and obstruct the flow of blood from the heart to other parts of the body is best described as dash. A. Aortic stenosis. B. Hepatitis. C. Cancer. D. Malaria. In this question, the correct answer is A. Aortic stenosis. Aortic stenosis is a condition whereby the aortic valves narrow, and this narrowing brings the obstruction of the flow of blood from the heart to other parts of the body. This is one of the problems of the heart, and it is very deadly if medical attention is not given to it. So a condition whereby the aortic valves narrow and obstruct the flow of blood from the heart to other parts of the body is known as aortic stenosis. The next question says, which of the following is a symptom of aortic stenosis? A. Breathing difficulty. B. Chest pain. C. Irregular heartbeats. D. All of the above. In this question, the correct answer is D. All of the above. There are many symptoms of this problem known as aortic stenosis. Studies have shown that when an individual is suffering from this, there will be difficulty in breathing in that person. He or she will experience chest pain. There will also be irregular heartbeat and other things. So all these things are various symptoms of this problem known as aortic stenosis. The next question says, mitral valve prolapse is a dash disorder. A. Kidney disorder. B. Heart disorder. C. Ear disorder. D. Tooth disorder. In this question, the correct answer is B. Heart disorder. Research have shown that there is a problem known as mitral valve prolapse. This mitral valve prolapse is one of the heart's disorders. In one of our videos, we have treated hearts, and we made it clear that there are valves in the heart that perform functions. We have a valve known as bicuspid valve. We also have a valve known as tricuspid valve. So this mitral valve is one of the valves that can be found in the heart, and studies have shown that this mitral valve prolapse is a serious problem. It is a serious threat to the health of an individual. The next question says, mitral valve prolapse is also known as dash. A. Ballos syndrome. B. Down syndrome. C. Hepatitis. D. Nephritis. In this question, the correct answer is A. Ballos syndrome. This mitral valve prolapse is also regarded as Ballos syndrome. The next question says, the mechanical compression of the heart resulting from large amounts of fluid in the pericardial space is called dash. A. Tricuspid valve. B. Bicuspid valve. C. Cardiac tamponade. D. Nephritis. In this question, the correct answer is C. Cardiac tamponade. Cardiac tamponade is the mechanical compression of the heart resulting from large amounts of fluid in the pericardial space. There is a membrane known as pericardium. This pericardium is a membrane that envelopes the heart, and studies have shown that this membrane produces what we call pericardial fluid, which is a fluid that cushions the heart, and it also prevents any form of friction that can occur between the heart and the surrounding tissues. But if this fluid becomes excess, if the quantity of this fluid within the pericardial space or within the pericardium is above normal, it will lead, or it can lead to this heart problem known as cardiac tamponade. So in this situation, there will be a mechanical compression of the heart due to excessive accumulation of this pericardial fluid within the pericardial space, and this is one of the heart problems that disturb the health of people. The next question says, which of the following is a symptom of cardiac tamponade? A. Chest pain. B. Rapid breathing. C. Rapid heartbeats. D. All of the above. In this question, the correct answer is D. All of the above. When an individual is suffering from this problem known as cardiac tamponade, he or she will experience chest pain, there will be rapid breathing, there will also be irregular heartbeat or rapid heartbeat. All these things are symptoms of this heart problem known as cardiac tamponade in people. The next question says, the draining of excess fluid from the pericardial sac is best described as dash. A. Pericardiocentesis. B. Pericarditis. C. Pericardium. D. Amnion. In this question, the correct answer is A. Pericardiocentesis. Pericardiocentesis is the draining of excess fluid that accumulated within the pericardial cavity or within the pericardial sac. So when this when there is excess fluid within the pericardial sac, it will cause a problem. So scientists can drain this excess fluid from this pericardial sac. So the process of draining this excess fluid from the pericardial sac is best described as pericardiocentesis. The next question says, myocardial infarction is known as dash. A. Breast milk. B. Heart attack. C. Enzyme. D. Hormone. In this question, the correct answer is B. Heart attack. There is another heart disorder known as myocardial infarction. This myocardial infarction is known as heart attack. So when an individual is having this, or when an individual is suffering from this, this issue can lead to the death of the heart cells and the heart muscles. So this myocardial infection is one of the deadly problems of the heart. The next question says, which of the following is a heart disease? A. Pericarditis. B. Bronchitis. C. Nephritis. D. Hepatitis. In this question, the correct answer is A. Pericarditis. Pericarditis is the inflammation of the membrane known as pericardium. So when this membrane or when the pericardium swells, that heart disease is known as pericarditis. If this is the first time you're watching our video, if this is the first time you're joining this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you can study other topics that we have treated in many of our videos. In this channel, we make educational videos